Hello friends, this is Sandeepan here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this tutorial, as we know how to run Python codes in different environments, we are going to explore variables and data types. I will discuss about the basic data types with examples, and in later videos we will learn in details about each of them. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now, if you don't know how to set up your Python coding environment to run Python codes, I am requesting you to please watch my previous videos where I have shown different ways to set up Python coding environment in details, and please access the playlist where I used to upload all my videos of this course. I have given the link of the playlist in the description below, so go ahead and access that. So, in the previous video, we have seen the code to print hello world in the terminal. Let's change the code a little bit. And if we run the code, we can see the same output as previous. Now here this greeting is a variable. So what is a variable? A variable is like a placeholder in our computer memory which holds a value. Every variable has a variable name. So in this code, greeting is a variable name and hello world is the value that is stored by the variable. So we can change the value of the variable anytime, and this will reflect inside the code wherever we have used that variable. So if we change the value of the greeting to, let's say, hello Python, our output will also be changed. So basically, when we use the variable name in the code, that will be replaced by the value at the time of execution. For that, we can see the output as hello Python in this case when we print greeting variable. The use of variables makes our program more flexible and dynamic. Now, there are some rules while declaring a variable. So the first one is variable names can contain only letters, numbers and underscores. They can start with a letter or an underscore, but not with a number. So greeting underscore 1 is acceptable, or underscore greeting is also acceptable, but not 1 underscore greeting. This is not acceptable. Second one is spaces are not allowed in between variable names. We can use your underscore name as a variable name, but not your space name like this. Variable names should not be same as a keyword name. Now a keyword is a special word or reserved words which have a special meaning. We will get to know more about this in future videos, but as of now we have to remember it as a rule. Now Python is also case sensitive. So greeting starting with a capital G and greeting starting with a small g, these two are totally different variables. So we have to be very careful while declaring a variable name. Now as we have learned about variables, let's learn about data types. So variables are used to store data in memory, but in programming and computation, various types of data can be used. So based on the type, data are classified into various data types. In Python, there are many built-in data types, like text type data types, that is string or str. Numeric data types that are int, float, complex, which can represent integer, floating point number and complex numbers like this respectively. After that, there are sequential data types like list, tuple, range, which can store values in a sequential order. Python also have mapping data types like dictionary or dict. Then comes set types like set or frozen set. Then comes boolean type like bool, which can be true or false. And the last one is binary data types that are bytes, byte array, memory view, etc. Now, we don't need to master all these as a beginner, but it's good to know all the data types that are available in Python. We can even check the types of a variable by using the type function. So if I write type and inside the parenthesis 12 and put it into a print statement, we can see the type class is int. Now, in Python there are classes and objects, but that is out of the scope of this course. So just remember the type is int. In this video, I am not going to explain all the data types in details, but in the upcoming videos, we will learn about strings, numbers, sequential, and also set data types with adequate examples. So that's all about Python variables and data types. Hope this video will clarify the concept of variables and data types. But still, if you have any doubt, feel free to ask and let me know into the comment section. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you find this video very helpful. If so, give a thumbs up, share the video with your friends so that I can create more such helpful contents. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that none of the videos will be missed out. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.